So you go out to your car, you turn on the AC, and nothing happens. No cold air. Oh, that's no good. So what do? I'm gonna show you. Uh-oh, we got another package from Amazon. Let's check it out. See what we got from Amazon. Look at that. AC gauge set for cars, AC systems. Fits for 134A, R12, R22, R502 refrigerants. If your car's AC not working, you gotta have one of these to check it. Let's check it out. Comes nicely packaged, and before I forget, there's a link down below in the description. It's an affiliate link, so you can check it out there. So here's some gauges. Let's check these out. Ooh-wee, nice and brand new. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Yeah, you're going to need a set of these if you're going to work on your AC in your vehicle. Oh, look, it has a little clear glass there so you can see if it's a liquid going through or if it's dry. And I don't know what that means. But anyway, so you got the gauge that comes with it. Wow, you got all of these fittings. Let's see what all this is. I'm just going to dump it right back in the box. So we got a red one here. You know what the red one's for? The red one is for the high side. Let me move you back here a little bit. Okay. And then you got the blue one that goes on the blue side over here for the low side, which is normally around 30. Okay, next. This is very important. This is for a small bottle of Freon that you just screw on the lid and you can puncture it. And then you can leave this on your gauges until you use up that can of Freon. And hopefully it won't leak. I'm going to put a little oil on mine to check it. We're going to get to that in a little bit. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, it's got a little hook to put on there to hang your gauges up. Let's see how that works. It goes right in here. Screws in there. Just like that. And now you can hang them up anywhere, which I will be doing once I get it all put together. Let's see, next in the bag is an assortment of fittings, bushings, and an adapter. I'm pretty sure this is for an older style Freon bottle or something, okay? So let's just let that lay right there on the side. Oh, and we got some instructions here. Instructions. Tells all about your manifold and gauges. If you want to read it, you can do that. Right now, I'm not going to do that. And the last thing in the box is the hoses. You got to have hoses to go to the gauges. So let's open these up. Look at that. Those are nice. Woo-wee. Oh, those little white things in that package are new seals for in there, I suppose. So you got those. This end will go to the gauges, I do believe. We're going to check it out and see which ones fit where. But let's just see. We don't need the box no more. Let's put the gauges down here. Can you see that okay? Okay. I'm going to take these off. Don't need those anymore. And now I am going to look at the instructions and see which end goes to the gauges, because I forgot if it shows or tells me here. Well, unfortunately, there's nothing here that really says which end of the hose goes to the gauges, the manifold, and which end goes to these fittings. I'll take these off too. So the red one goes to the red one. You don't have to really over tighten it because it has a seal in it. The blue one goes to the blue one, just like that. And now the can puncher valve goes to the yellow one, because that's your supply for your gas that goes in the car, or refrigerant if that's what you want to call it. Okay. Now if you're going to use a bottle, a bigger bottle, you have to use this fitting here. So now we're going to take the other end of the hoses, and I do believe they go like this. So the red one will go on the red one, on the red side. The yellow one goes in the middle, because that's the one you're going to put your refrigerant bottle on. And your blue one is going to go on the blue one, because that is where your low side goes for your vehicle. Now I'm sure that you can turn these around and go the other way. It's all the same size. And I may switch them around. So yeah, see, I changed them around. That's much better. I think that's going to be better. What do you think? If you hang around for the next video, I'm going to hook them up to the van, check and see what my refrigerant pressure is, and show you how to use these gauges. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll have another video for you soon. And it will be on checking the refrigerant pressure in my van to make sure that it has the right amount of Freon. And if not, I have a small can that I got from Walmart of all places. So thanks for watching. I'll have another video for you soon. This is Harold signing off, baby.